solid state chemistry, packing fraction. This is the most interesting and important part of solid state. Packing fraction, simple cube. What is a simple cube? Simple cube means the atoms will be only at the corners. See, this is the corner point and this is the corner point. I have taken here only two atoms. These green circles I have taken, now I made into red. These are the two atoms. They are present like this. And this yellow line you are seeing is, this is the edge length. Edge length is given by A, this is A, this is A, all edge lengths. So that I am saying as A. And as we know, this is half, so this is radius and this is again radius. Okay, in this circle, this is radius part and this is radius part. So A edge length is equals to 2R. Edge length A is equals to 2R. This is the most interesting one. A is equal to 2R or R is equal to A by 2 for simple cubic lattice. These kind of questions also will be asked. You must be very careful what type of lattice it is. Edge length is A and A is equals to 2R. As we know, volume of unit cell is equals to height into width into length, that is A into A into A, that is nothing but A cube. In place of A we can write 2R, so 2R whole cube, that is nothing but 8R cube. And volume of one atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube because we consider atoms as spherical. So volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then packing efficiency or packing fraction is equals to volume occupied by total number of atoms by total volume of the unit cell. Volume occupied by the atoms by volume of the unit cell, that is packing fraction. How much efficiently it is packed like that. So packing fraction or packing efficiency. And in this case, in the simple cube, the number of effective atoms will be 1. As we know, the simple cube will be having only one effective atom because only corners are occupied. 8 corners into 1 by 8. So that is equals to 1. About this you can see our past videos. So packing efficiency is equals to volume occupied by atoms, 1 atom into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by total volume 8 r cube. If you simplify this, okay, 4 by 3 pi r cube by 8 r cube is nothing but 0.524, or in percentage wise if you want to say, that is 52.4%. So packing efficiency in simple cube is 52.4%. Thank you.